My name is Jesse. Before I realized what happened, I was hooked on painkillers. When I finally kind of realized what was going on, it was too late. I didn't want to tell anyone. I was ashamed of it because I thought that I was a bad person.
One really important thing that Workit does is work to reduce stigma. People are so embarrassed or ashamed or feel like they're disappointing people by going and getting help. And that's one of the strongest things that you can do.
It was a realization that I had over a period of time. You're not just gonna wake up the next day and be okay. You're either working at addiction or you're working at recovery.
It's just like any other brain disease. So you are not clean and dirty. You are you, and what we're doing is we're working to treat the addiction part of it so you can be your whole self.
I was clean for a while. Like, I got on medication and I was clean for a couple years, and I was off the medication for another couple years. I finally ended up relapsing. Even with this relapse, there were people I didn't tell because I was ashamed of it. Because I was doing so well for so long, that's kind of when Workit happened. One of the things that I like about Workit the most is how convenient it is. You can see your counselor and your provider all through telemedicine. You take your drug screens through telemedicine. If I had to go to a clinic to do these things, it would take hours that I just don't have available. It's really nice to be able to just take out my phone and take a break from work and speak to my counselor. I don't know how I would have done it otherwise. Making the decision to go to Workit and get back on medication, it was a decision that saved my life.
I love it when people have the aha moment of it's better than it was. You know, you think, man, this doesn't really feel that different right now, and you're not really sure if it's working. Let's look at how I am today with how I was a week ago. And usually there can be some sort of connection where it's like, something is getting better.
I've been with Workit for just over 3 years. In that time, I have gotten myself back, and I've grown so much as a person.